All right, folks, so now we are into the third trial of the third part of the Household Acids and Bases Lab. We're getting near the end. This is Bleach, is our product. That's our third cleaning product. So here it is, Bleach. Again, it kind of looks like the ammonia. Looks like they might have used the same food coloring in that. Let's see how similar it is to the ammonia in terms of acidity and pH. Okay, so we've added some bleach to our well. Let's test the blue pH paper. Now get ready, because I think the paper is going to do something that we haven't seen yet. Keep in mind, I just dipped it in there for a little bit. Hardly even put it in there. Okay, now let's do the red. Okay, and then we'll do the pH paper. Oh, that's weird. Why the heck would that be? That is strange. Okay. Well, we can see what it did to the blue pH paper. Look at it, turned it white at the end. And same thing with the red pH paper, white. So you can go ahead and write down white. Now, bleach is a very, very strong base. And what I think is happening here is it's so normally so if we think about the blue litmus paper here, there's actually some blue, there's some blue, well, what makes it blue is there's a base on there that turns the paper blue, right? A base and an indicator. Same thing with this pH paper. This pH paper has acid on it and also some indicator. And so when the normally what happens is when you put base on the red paper, it'll turn blue. When you put base on the blue paper, it'll turn red. This base in here is so strong that it's actually turning them both white. So you can write down that it's a base, but then my pH paper here didn't show me what I wanted it to, so we're going to ignore that for now. I do have a different kind of pH paper. I want to test that and see if that comes out more like I was expecting it to. Yeah, and that's more of a color that I was expecting. So you can see, oh, whoops, what am I doing here? So you can see that, again, turns kind of whitish, but it pretty much comes out the same color as number 11 on here. 11 is pretty much the closest. So with this one, you can put down the color, again, as whitish or grayish, but it comes out close to the color of number 11. So you can put it as a pH of 11. maybe 11 and a half. Okay,